All right, let's take a break from a whole bunch of other stuff and let's focus on something new for a change. This time we're going to be expressing weather patterns and what else? Yeah, seasons, I guess. Seasons, weathers, all that stuff. Um, Here we have panahon. And panahon is this important word that means so many things. It's a very versatile word, and it will help you. It will help you express yourself in using expressions with time or how to express yourself with time and weather, right? Especially when you want to tell someone you don't have time for something, all right? Or when the day is really good, you're feeling that it's a good day, it feels like a good day, okay, because the weather outside is good. So panahon can mean weather, a time period, a time interval, a given or an allotted time, or time for something, time to do something, right? A given amount of time to do something, right? Sometimes people will often say, "Wak ko panahon sa blah 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 blah, wak ko'y panahon, blah blah blah," right? I don't have time for this, I don't have time for that, etc. But panahon again can also mean weather. Lami ang panahon, the weather is good. You know, lami meaning delicious, right? But you can also use lami to express something that's good. Ooh, you know, a sweet sensation or a delicious moment, right? Panahon, guapo ang panahon karon. We have good weather, you know. The next word here is ting, and ting is a prefix, right? It is used to indicate season for something, right? A season for something, or the I guess season for something, yeah, that, and or a time of day for an event when something happens, right? When an event happens in a time of day, that one's kind of a little difficult one to grasp, so stick with just the season for X, but note that it can also denote like something that happens during a time of day, okay? An event that happens in a time of day. But ting, season for something. And these examples down here will clarify what it means, okay? This first one I have, kumusta na ang panahon sa inyo ha? Basa, tingulan na, humana ang tinginit, hapit na ang ting pamunga sa saging. All right, so this last sentence is what I want to talk about, right? It's almost ting pamunga, okay? It's almost the season for harvesting bananas, or I guess banana season, right? It's almost season for bananas. Ting pamunga, pamunga, it comes from the root word bunga. Bunga means to blossom or to to blossom. Bunga, it's something that is going to be plentiful, I guess you can say, but something that's when a flower blooms or something like that, right? So it's like it's time for like the harvesting of bananas when bananas are starting to come out, something like that, right? Now, notice how it's ting pamunga. We can also say ting bunga, okay? Ting bunga. So ting bunga would probably be better, but I want to show you ting pamunga to show you the morphological process that happened here. And the second sentence we have is, pila ka sentigrado na ang temperatura kaninyo? Desierto di ba ang klima? Oo. What na'y tubig sa lanaw? Niuga kalit, purting inita, grabe. So this person is pretty much complaining about how hot it is living in the desert, right? So this first question is asking, you know, how much, or I guess you can say, what's the temperature what's the temperature in y'all's place now, right? Pila ka centigrado, centigrade, Celsius, right? Celsius. Pila ka centigrado na ang temperatura kaninyo, huh? What degree Celsius is it? Is a temperature in yours, right? So degrees Celsius, right? Grados centigrados, degrees Celsius. Pila ka centigrado? How many centigrades is it now, or the temperature? Desierto di ba ang klima? Isn't it right that the climate is a desert, or desert is the climate, right? Di ba is that question tag. Oo, what na'y tubig sa lanaw? Uh-oh, so there's no more water in the lake. Niuga kalit, it dried up suddenly. Puerting inita, grabe, it's really hot. Like, it's really hot. It's pretty serious, right? So, and finally, we have some just useful vocabulary that I just put out of nowhere, just randomly, right? Clima, temperatura centigrado, right? And then, of course, your seasons, right? Ting tugnaw, right? Ooh, it's a chilly season, cold season, right? Ting adlaw, sunny season, or hot. I guess you can say it's hot. Ting adlaw means it's usually always sunny. Actually, living in an island, and I'll tell you by experience, living in an island, usually it's going to be this hot, especially if it's near the equator. Ting bunga we talked about, and ting pamulak is similar to ting bunga. It's like flower blooming, right? Bunga again for fruit bearing seasons, right? Fruit bearing. Ting pamunga sa saging, ting bunga sa mangga, like fruit bearing seasons, right? Or harvesting for fruits. Ting pamulak is like flower blooming seasons, okay? So hopefully this can kind of give us a break from all the other grammar stuff and give us a little something slighter with this change of pace with this grammar. Again, expressing weather and seasons.